Everybody, CryptoStrang here. Today I'm going to talk about quite a shocking announcement the other day that Fairdesk is actually closing. I was really surprised by this, to be honest, because it really, if you've been around since 2021, I've actually done 2 videos about it. I love their copy trading. I loved every part about Fairdesk. It really was an up-and-coming exchange with huge potential. It's caught many people by surprise. So, see, I've done a video on the last one. You can see there. So I've done a couple, the copy trades. Now, what I liked about Fairdesk was the fact if you're in the UK, you could join it. We've talked about Blowfin before. Obviously, you've still got mexc and Bitmart, and there's a few other exchanges you can still join, but it's getting very difficult here in the UK now to join some exchanges, even though it's on BITPANDA now. Luckily, I've already got an account because I do find that a nice way to cash out with their bank feature. You can do it on Coinbase as well, but really shocked there. So, on the actual official site, important notice about the closure of the Fairdesk platforms. This is really important if you've got any assets on there. Since the official launch of Fairdesk cryptocurrency exchange in 2020, it's played a positive role in finding high-quality trading service, which it has. I really like the team. I like their vision as well. It's a massive surprise. But what they've said, they're completely shutting this site down November the 30th, okay? So basically end of next month. But this is really important. Futures and spots positions will be closed on October the 17th, okay? And obviously later this week. So if you've got any positions there, I've closed all my positions, and the platform will only retain the withdrawal function from October 17th. So basically, if you've got any assets on there whatsoever, you've basically got till end of November. They're still going to offer the withdrawal function. So got into next month, so it's really important. Imagine as we get closer to the time, they're going to send some emails to help people to the fact that, withdraw. So it's very important. So keep that in your mind if you do own, because quite a few people joined using my referral link. I did appreciate it at the time, and it's a real, absolute massive shock here, especially as you sort of coming out of a bear market into a bull market. This is where the exchanges will do extremely well. So it really was surprising. I think reading between the lines, I read an article on Cointelegraph, which I'll show you here, sort of basically saying there's a sort of link here perhaps with regulatory requirements, and they've got a bit scared perhaps of all the regulatory things going on by the scene. But states there also, is very much for surprise, was among the few non-domestic exchanges serving the United States and Canada. Its closure may come as a surprise to many, as the company outwardly appeared to be operating normally until the recent announcement. As of the time of this article's publication, Fairdesk official X.com account still indicates that it's hiring, but obviously they're not now, Previously said, analysts had previously given Fairdesk somewhat favourable reviews, praising its security measures and competitive fees. However, concerns over potential compliance issues. It's very, very difficult now to hold an exchange to try and keep on top of all the compliance, all the regulatory requirements, isn't it? Absolutely incredible. And again, it talks there about the fact that all positions are going to shut October 17th. We've got to November the 30th to withdraw your funds, okay? If you've got anything on there, please make sure you do it. And also states there that Canadian federal regulations are getting very strict now as well about crypto. Obviously, got in the UK, it seems it's going to Canada now as well. So, really say, actually, real disappointment, really. So, quite a few exchanges I've got little bits on, do a bit of trading here, spot trading, copy trading, all this sort of stuff. And I did like Fairdesk, as I said on the previous videos. And you see on here, I've withdrawn my assets. It's really easy to do. You basically go on your dashboard here at the top, you've got your assets. You go there, and you basically hit there. And as I have 0.60 tether, which obviously won't give me anywhere now because I've withdrawn the rest. So just hit withdraw there. Now, as I said before, there's some great exchanges out there still allowing people talk about Blowfin, I say mexc and Bitmart be around for many years as well. So it's not all doom and gloom. You can withdraw to those exchanges. I do have links below if you want to join one of those exchanges, support the channel. However, it just highlights the fact with these exchanges, nothing is guaranteed forever. And it's really important. Me personally hold majority of my crypto literally on my Trust wallets, my MetaMask, etc., because I find that really secure. However, on the exchanges, I do own some here and there, and with all the security features they offer, it gives you backup. You've got the customer support, whereas I've always stated before, complete decentralized wallets, you've got no customer support if you lose your key phrases or your password. So it's really imperative. So you've got to balance it up what you think. What's good holding on the exchange and hold it privately. Now, me personally, I've held some on exchanges for many years, never had any problems whatsoever. So if you set your 2FA, you've got your strong passwords, you've got your text proof, your email proof is very strong. So again, do your own research. So it's really important, though, that you sort of analyse this and see what you want to do, but make sure you get it off there, okay? Just want to highlight the fact what they've done here. And as I say, just go back to here and as I say, November the 30th to get your exchange off. So I just want to do a very brief video. Just want to highlight, because obviously I've covered Fairdesk before. Just want to make people aware that the exchange is closing. So thanks very much. Been very busy lately about researching a lot of exciting new projects, so we'll certainly do some videos soon. So thanks very much. We will chat soon. Cheers now. Bye.